Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome back to GoldwingDocs. I have some huge news. This is a big announcement that has been 9 years in the making. Coming up. In 2008, I was a lot younger, a lot less gray. And I started this website called GoldwingDocs. It was simply just a single page that had a bunch of links to manuals that were documentation for the Goldwing motorcycle to help people fix their own motorcycles. I didn't even give it any thought at all. I used some very old technology to create the page because I just threw it together in literally an hour. But it became extremely popular. I was on some other Goldwing forums at the time, but I had some problems with administration there because I was posting how-to articles of how to fix your motorcycle to try to help people out, and they didn't like that I was getting all this praise and attention, and when apparently the moderators wanted it for themselves, and they started deleting my stuff, and I'm like, okay, this is not cool. So I decided, well, I'll just throw a forum onto my single page of documents called GoldwingDocs, and I'll just post my stuff there. So I did. And people visited and read my how-tos, and that was good for the time. But I didn't really have plans of making it more than that, just a place that I could put my stuff and people could read it. But then people started participating, and I created more and more forums in it so that people could talk to each other, and it started growing. And as it grew, I thought, well, you know, what if we had this? What if we had member images? What if we had... So I started adding more and more functionality to the site. The problem is that when I originally created the site in 2008, the technology I used to create it was pretty old then, and now is being used to create more and more stuff and building more and more things onto it. It was outgrowing the capability of the technology it was built on. I had to move it to a new server because the server itself was getting too old, and that broke the member images section because the member images section was using the same image processing system as the forum was, but they were using different versions and the new server couldn't handle that. I had to either lose the member images functionality or the ability to add pictures to the forum, so I picked the forum and disabled the member images system. People didn't like that. They loved the user images gallery. I thought, okay, this can't keep going like this. I can't maintain this old software, and I'm really up against some limitations. I need to rewrite the site. So I decided I'm going to start from scratch, rewrite the whole website in a newer language that will allow me to be more flexible. That was 2016. I started this project in 2016. Along the way, I changed the language again because the language I started in was not that suitable. And I wanted to add several different things. Back in 2008, people weren't using phones to browse on the internet. They were using desktops. And the website was not handled to display well on phones. That's been a problem all along, so I really wanted the new version to work well on phones. I wanted it to be faster, and I wanted it to be easier to maintain. Well, here we are. It's 9 years later. I can't say I've worked on it consistently because I do have a day job and a lot of other things that are going on, so I've worked on it here and there as I could. However, the last sprint over the last few months, I have just been cramming trying to get it finished because I really wanted to get it out. My goal was to get it out for Christmas. That didn't happen. But it's February, and now it's out. This is the new GoldwingDocs 2.0. Welcome. So what does the new GoldwingDocs site look like? Here it is. You're going to find that most of it is the same. It's not going to be unfamiliar. Most of the same features are there. They're presented in a better way. The site's going to be faster, and it's going to be easier to use, especially on mobile devices. So what are you going to see on the homepage when you visit GoldwingDocs? Well, of course, you're going to see the homepage, which has these great big links across the beginning. And of course, on a phone, it's going to be different, but it's still very usable. Below that, you're going to see the most recent images posted by users to the user image gallery. And below that, the most recent posts made to the forum, all on that one page. Now, before we get any farther, there is one thing I need to address that has been complained about and asked for by more people than anything else, and that is the advertisements. The advertisements on the site are a necessary evil. This site costs hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month, every month, in hosting fees to run. It's quite expensive. I put advertisements on the site in order to generate enough ad revenue to pay for those hosting fees. And most months it does. Sometimes it's a little bit close. Sometimes I ended up paying a little bit out of my own pocket. Things like the contest prizes, I just pay for that out of my own pocket. The advertisements have always been needed in order to pay for the site, or else the site wouldn't exist. I couldn't afford to run it. That said, you guys hate the advertisements. So do I. They're intrusive, they're annoying, and they just get in the way of having a good experience. So GoldwingDocs members have repeatedly asked me, hey, can we get like a subscription fee we could pay or something so we can get rid of the advertisements? And the answer is yes! Introducing GoldwingDocs Plus. It is a new feature on the website. You can go in, subscribe. It's only $9.99 a year. That's 83 cents a month. And by doing so, you support the site and you get no advertisements whatsoever. We'll probably add some new functionality as well at some point that the GoldwingDocs Plus users get. If you have any suggestions or ideas for that, feel free to let me know what you think. The GoldwingDocs Plus system is live. You can go in today, sign up for that, and get rid of all the advertisements on GoldwingDocs. I know a lot of you are going to be really excited about that. The forum. The forum is pretty much the same. It's a little bit different formatted, but it's going to be very, very familiar. I really didn't want to mess with the way things worked in terms of the forum because people are used to it and I don't want to alienate people. So the forum is still going to work pretty much the same way. You're going to see little changes here and there just to make things better. But for the most part, the forum works the same. The menuing system at the top has been improved. It's going to stay at the top when you scroll the rest of the page. So even if you're at the bottom of a topic, it's very easy to either get back to the top with the little button on the side, or you can just change the forum because the menu is still there even though you're at the bottom of a page. Talking about the menu, let's talk about the other items in the menu. There's a how-to section. You can go and search through all the how-to articles in the forum from this one page. Reviews, same thing. If you want to search through all of our reviews in the forum, you can do so on this one page. The store. The store is a little bit different, but for the most part, it works the same. You can still buy our relays and regulators just like you could before. Of course, that is where you subscribe to GoldwingDocs Plus. The parts store, which some of you noticed went away a little while ago, it will be back. I do have a few more changes to make to that, but because I don't have a whole lot of parts to put on it right now, I decided to put that one off until the future and just get the site live today. So the parts store will be returning, but it will probably be a month or two. The manuals, of course, the manuals are still there. You can search through all the manuals either by model type or year type or text search. So it's very easy to find what you're looking for in terms of manuals. The gallery, the member gallery is back. People have been asking for it for so long. It is back and it is better than ever. It is a total rewrite, completely different than it used to be. It still has the same concept where every member has their own gallery and they can create folders within that gallery and then upload pictures into those folders. You can then rename your folders, change your thumbnails, you can recaption your pictures, and you can also go and browse other people's pictures, and you can leave comments underneath each picture where people can talk back and forth about the pictures and ask questions or tell stories about them. That's all brand new. Have a look at the member gallery section. I think you're really going to like it. The member gallery used to store pictures a little bit smaller because devices were smaller and internet speeds were not as great, but that's different now. So now we're storing much bigger images, and we are returning to the daily image email. If you subscribe to the image email, which you can see in the user gallery menu, you will every night get an email that contains all the images that have been uploaded to the site that day. If there's no images uploaded that day, no email. But if there is one, then if you're subscribed, you get that email with all those images. There's a reference section. You can go and look through all the classified ads. Now, I will tell you the classified ad updating system is still not working great, so a lot of the ads in there are old. That will be the next on my list to fix. However, you can search through those classified ads and see if there's any Goldwings for sale near you. Vendors, our vendor database is there, works just the same as it did. You can do searches. The search engine itself is a little bit improved. And then we have the forum reference info where you can search easily through all the forum reference topics just from that one reference menu item. And lastly, our news section. We have current motorcycle news that gets updated twice a day, and you can search through that as well. Then we have a searchable section where we can search through all the reference articles in the forum. Lets you quickly find anything you're looking for. This has been a huge rewrite. It's 50,000 lines of code that I've written to make this site work. I'm sure in there somewhere there's going to be a bug or two. If you do see something that doesn't look right, it's not working right, you get an error message, anything of the sort, please let me know. I'll fix it as fast as I can. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything of the sort, please leave them in the comment section below. But go ahead, visit GoldwingDocs.com, check out the new site, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.